I think it's a good time to return to hand rank, the most complicated function we'll have to deal with. We know hand rank takes a hand as input, but what does it return? We want it to return a value, indicate the ranking of a hand, but we're not quite sure what that value should be. It has to be something that's comparable by max, so, well, why not a number? There are 9 different types of hands that we know about, from straight flush at the top to high card at the bottom. And we can number them from, say, 0 to 8, with 8 being the highest for the straight flush. So here's a sketch of a solution. We know it's going to be important to look at ranks, so let's get them first. We can extract the ranks with our card ranks function. And then we can say, first we want to check and see if we have a straight flush. So if the ranks form a straight and the cards form a flush, then we can return 8, the highest value. Otherwise, what's next? Well, 4 of a kind. And the only thing we need in kind is the ranks, so I'm going to just pass that in. So if the ranks form 4 of a kind, then return 7, and we could go on from there. And I go through the cases one by one. So we have straight flush, we have 4 of a kind, we would next go to full house and then flush and so on. Now, the question is, would this work? If we continue to flesh this out and we define the 9 different cases to return the numbers from 0 to 8, would that give us a definition of hand rank that's a working program? And I want you to tell me, yes, it would work fine in all cases. No, it would signal an error condition and crash the program. No, it would get some inputs wrong and some of them right. Or no, it would get all the inputs wrong. Which do you think is correct?